In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a navigation menu in WordPress. Creating a solid navigation menu can greatly enhance the user experience on your website, making it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for. It's a fundamental element, and I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. First, we're going to head over to wordpress.com, so fire up your favorite web browser and go to the official WordPress website. If you already have a WordPress account, you'll want to click on the login button on the top right corner of the page to get started. Now, there are several ways to log in, but for simplicity, let's choose the continue with Google option if your account is linked to your Google profile. This method not only saves time, but also allows you to skip remembering another password. Once you've clicked on continue with Google, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Go ahead and select the one associated with your WordPress website. This will automatically log you in without any extra steps. Now that you're logged in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Over on the right panel, you'll find a section labeled Quick Links. Here, locate the Edit Site link and click on it. This will transport us to the magical world of site customization. Within the site editor, we're going to focus on creating and managing your navigation menu. Navigate to the left-hand menu and select Navigation. The navigation section is essentially your hub for managing menus, which is crucial for guiding visitors to your site's key areas. Once you're in the navigation section, you'll notice three dots, typically in the top right or left corner depending on your theme. This is your menu configuration option. Click on these dots to reveal a list of actions you can perform with your navigation. Here you're given a few options. You can rename your menu for clarity, edit it by adding or removing links as you see fit, duplicate your menu if you like its current setup but need a version with slight tweaks, or entirely delete it if you wish to start afresh. If you choose to edit, you'll want to consider which pages are most vital for your users to access quickly. Think about the overall structure and functionality you wish to provide. Adjust the links accordingly and always preview your changes to ensure everything appears and functions as expected. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a navigation menu, a crucial aspect of any well-designed website. Be sure to regularly update and refine your menu as needed to reflect the evolving content and structure of your site. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. Happy website making!